Hello everybody, welcome back to Campus Tech. Today I'm going to open iPhone 14 which has 128GB blue color. Now Apple making slim boxes because they are not including charging block into the box. So let's dig in. Now they are not even making plastic wraps. This is a paper packing. You have to peel out from the bottom and on the top to open the phone. So that's a nice color. That is the very cool blue color. They made in iPhone 12 dark blue color, but in iPhone 14 they make light blue, and it has a diagonal camera. And let's open the other accessories. It has manuals, same tools as all iPhone packing has, nothing special. So same charging cord for the all new phone, like type C to lightning. Yeah, that's the same thing which all new iPhones has, like 13 12 has the same thing. So let's look at the sides of the phone, which has the metal sides. If you see, it's the same shape of iPhone 13 from the back side, and the bottom is also, it has a lightning charging, no audio jack as they discontinue from iPhone 7. So I'm just going to install protector glass before doing anything else. So just peel off gently before it get the dead particle. I have to install this protector glass. So just align this to middle of your earpiece, you'll see, and swipe your finger down and it will settle down itself. And now you have to push edges, clean little edges, so all air will go outside. So after install the protector glass, now I am turning on the phone first time. Like it shows the Apple logo as it's turning first time, so it'll take a little time. It says hello welcome screen as same English, country, my messages, location, services, all stuff, whatever, all the initial Apple setup. So appearance, you see the display, zoom, emergency, welcome to the iPhone. Here is the first home screen for the iPhone 14, and you see I didn't install the SIM card, so it shows SOS. And let's go into the settings and go into general, about, and you'll see it has 128GB and 7 application built and installed, and it has a iOS 16. Look at the back, it has a glass back, diagonal camera, one flashlight with that. Thank you very much for watching. Keep like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you very much.